Is it the right time to buy or sell CrowdStrike stock? Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're delving deep into CrowdStrike. If you've been following us, you might remember our initial report published on our website on Wednesday, January 10, 2024. Now, we're excited to present you with an even more detailed analysis. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Looking to enhance your trading decisions? We've got you covered. Try out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. However, please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since October 30, 2023, our system has ranked CrowdStrike as a strong buy candidate with a score of 8.56. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 61.53% since we first listed CrowdStrike as a buy candidate 50 days ago. This means an average return of 1.23% per day since it was classified as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently in the midst of a strong and steady upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further increase. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a possibility of a 54.58% change in the stock's value over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from 40.39% to 59.47%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 126.27% change in the stock's value over the next year, with potential returns ranging from 54.52% to 87.73%. This suggests a price range of $435.80 to $529.46 after 1 year. Our latest update on CrowdStrike brings exciting news. The stock price has increased by 3.02% on Wednesday. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, January 10, 2024, the CrowdStrike stock price rose from $273.77 to $282.04, marking a gain of 3.02%. This positive trend has continued for 5 consecutive days. Now, we're eagerly waiting to see if the stock will continue to rise or experience a slight pause in the coming days. Throughout the last trading day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $274.87 and a high of $282.32, showing a variation of 2.71%. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a notable gain of 9.37%. In terms of trading volume, there was a decrease of 1 million shares on the last day, with a total of 5 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.31 billion. It's important to consider that a decrease in volume at higher prices may indicate potential changes in the near future. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for CrowdStrike stock was $282.32, while the lowest was $92.71. At present, the current price is 0.1% or $0.275 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it stands 5.51% or $16.44 below the all-time high, which was achieved on November 10, 2021, with a price of $298.48. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, January 9, 2024, Morgan Stanley upgraded CRWD to an overweight grade. On Thursday, December 21, 2023, Rosenblatt Securities rated CRWD as a buy with a hold action. Also on Thursday, December 21, 2023, Needham gave CRWD a buy grade along with a hold action. Furthermore, on Thursday, December 21, 2023, Wedbush rated CRWD as a buy with a hold action. Lastly, on Thursday, December 21, 2023, Truist Financial downgraded CRWD to an underperform with a hold action. According to analysts, CrowdStrike stock has received a general buy rating. The PE ratio is considered a strong buy, and the price-to-book ratio is also rated as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. Let's take a look at the signals for CrowdStrike. The CrowdStrike stock has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relation between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, there is support anticipated at $257.35 and $243.94. However, if the stock price falls below these levels, it would trigger sell signals. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, a buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 64.32% increase thus far. The stock is expected to continue rising until a new top pivot is reached. It is worth noting that despite the price gains, the volume of trading has decreased, creating a divergence between volume and price. This could be an early warning sign and should be closely monitored. Additionally, there have been some negative signals that may impact the stock's short-term development. Moreover, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently indicating a sell signal. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. The pivots showed a buy signal 52 days ago. The Bollinger Bands gave a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 51 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. However, the long-term moving average gave a sell signal 176 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 209 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for CrowdStrike. When it comes to support, CrowdStrike has found a strong level at $273.77. This means that when the stock price reaches this level, there is a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction. It's always good to keep an eye on this support level and analyze how the stock behaves when it's being tested. Now, let's talk about the risk associated with trading CrowdStrike. This stock has average movements during the day, which means it doesn't experience extreme volatility. With good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. This is important to keep in mind when deciding on your trading strategy. To give you an idea of the stock's recent volatility, let's look at its performance over the last day and week. In the last day, the stock moved $7.44 between its high and low, which is a percentage change of 2.71%. Over the course of the last week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 2.94%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for CrowdStrike, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One crucial aspect is the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative P/E ratio, it means they have negative earnings or are currently losing money. It's common for established companies to go through downturns, often due to external factors. However, consistently negative P/E ratios may indicate insufficient profits and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on March 5, 2024. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for CrowdStrike. When analyzing the stock's accumulated volume, we find no significant resistance above. This means that under the right conditions, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. If you're considering entering a position, keep an eye on the volume to determine the optimal exit point. On the other hand, if the stock encounters any downward pressure, it is likely to find its first support level at $273.77. This support level could present a good entry point for traders anticipating a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, CrowdStrike has received a combined average rating of buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On January 3, 2024, Gandhi Samir K. conducted an insider sell, disposing of 15,000 shares of Class A common stock. On December 22, 2023, Podbeer Bert W. made an insider purchase, acquiring 11,544 shares of Class B common stock. On December 22, 2023, Podbeer Bert W. conducted an insider sell, disposing of 2,386 shares of Class B common stock. On December 22, 2023, Podbeer Bert W. conducted an insider sell, disposing of 4,694 shares of Class B common stock. On December 22, 2023, Podbeer Bert W. conducted an insider sell, disposing of 4,464 shares of Class B common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -44.538. Overall, insiders purchased 354,347 shares and sold 932,541 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop-loss price for this stock is $273.24, which represents a decrease of 3.12%. This particular stock exhibits moderate daily movements, resulting in a moderate level of risk for investors. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal based on a pivot bottom observed 51 days ago. Is investing in CrowdStrike stock a smart move? CrowdStrike has been showing several positive signals and is currently experiencing a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Considering these factors, we believe it is a good choice at its current levels, and we anticipate further gains in the next 3 months. When we analyze the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For Thursday, January 11th, we expect CrowdStrike to open with a decrease of -$2.30, starting its trading at $279.74. Trading comes with a high risk of losing money, so it's important to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is not a reliable basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be looking at the current view of this stock. We're excited to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to comment below and share your opinions. What's your target for this stock? We value your support, so remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.